I'm doing Griffin's new Rubik's Cube. It's a spring Rubik's Cube. Mom, Griffin, and I have been doing the Rubik's Cube. I've halfway memorized it, and Griffin gave me his old one, and well, he got the spring one. It's directly from China, and I'm gonna be doing it right now. Okay.
All right. So she was rocking. We just did I don't know, like a 3 or 4 minute video, and she just had done all the green side and got her middle done, and she got to the upside down L, and something happened. Like, you know, that happens all the time, either in the middle for me or that in the L part. For some reason, you make one wrong turn and you got to go all the way back to the beginning. I still don't know. We don't know how to fix it, other than, you know, mix it all up and start over. So now she's starting over again on the green side up and making it happen. Can you go away, please? Thank you. And so what she has me do is she works all the algorithms, and then when she gets a little stumped, she will ask me for the algorithm, and then I'll help her, because now I've memorized all of them. And so she's almost got them completely memorized all the way up to that really tough one at the very end. It's almost too loose, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm angry now. That's always a bad thing.
Just stay concentrated. Also, there's this kid on Griffin's hockey team that has these Chinese spring-loaded Rubik's Cubes, and they're super quick. You could just do it with a flick of a finger. So that's why we got this one, which I'm pretty excited about.
Okay, I've got the line so far and there, right?
Is your middle done? No. Is your middle done all the way around?
Oh, wait. Oh, no.
You got to finish your middle.
Oopsie.
Do you have all blues?
Yeah,
okay, so
wait,
change up.
I know what doesn't.
However, Piper Grace, on her Rubik's Cube, she's the only one of her friends that knows how to do any of this. They're kind of blown away that she can do the whole thing. So, it is pretty cool.
Okay, now I got something. And I've got...
What you got?
Backwards out. Furner?
Yep.
Okay.
So, front, up, right. Earth, up inverted, earth, up inverted,
Up inverted.
front and, no, right inverted, right inverted, front inverted. There you go. Got it?
Yep.
There you go. So, Piper, what Grace just did, I don't know if you learned this trick, but if you've got an inverted L, you can use fur and then earth. So, front, up, right, and then earth, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. And you get an automatic cross. It's
So
super
it's
cool.
just front up, right? But then you do the inverteds. So you gotta remember that.
Okay.
Tell me when I'm wrong. I've got the right hand thing. And right, no. Up,
No. Right.
up, up inverted, no, right,
It's always up.
up,
So right up.
right inverted, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, up.
Yep. How you looking?
Okay,
Looking
okay.
good. All right.
Okay, nope, nope, yep, and nope. Okay, this one. So now,
Now it starts. Up.
oh, okay, up, right,
Uh-huh.
up inverted,
Mm-hmm.
left inverted,
Correct.
up, right inverted, up inverted,
How are we looking now?
No, not yet. Okay, so
Up.
up, right, up and right, up and right, up, right. That one's done. That one's done. That one's right. That one's right. And there we go.
Okay, that's 5 minutes 56 seconds. You probably did it in like 5 minutes, Grace. That's amazing. Piper, you gotta be proud. Anything else you want to say?
Bye.